Hi, I'm Sarah Steiner, and I'm a senior at Westfield High School in New Jersey. Scientists dream of finding extraterrestrial life, but we've always assumed that it would have to occur in conditions similar to the one we have here on Earth. We've been looking for a planet, small, rocky, and in its star's habitable zone, where it's not so cold that water will freeze, but not so hot that it'll boil away. However, it's starting to look like we might be able to look a little closer to home, at the icy moons in the outer solar system. One of the most promising examples is Europa, one of Jupiter's 4 large moons. At just over 1,900 miles in diameter, it's slightly smaller than our own moon, and is one of the smoothest objects in the solar system. It has no craters on its surface. Instead, it has deep cracks from which new material wells up, like the spaces between tectonic plates on Earth. This new material resurfaces the moon and results in that smooth, uncratered appearance. The stuff welling up is probably liquid water, which is made possible by the intense tidal forces Europa is subjected to from its host planet Jupiter and its 3 sister moons. The friction caused by the stretching and flexing of the moon would make it possible for a liquid ocean of water to exist under its surface. Better yet, Europa is thought to have a core of silicate rock, which would interact with this liquid ocean and make it salty. In fact, the new material on Europa's surface has been found to have minerals and organic compounds in it. This could produce the chemical interactions we think help to give rise to life, and NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory is planning a mission that will attempt to confirm the presence of life on Europa. It'll launch sometime in the 2020s. Another interesting moon is Enceladus, one of Saturn's moons. At only 314 miles across, it's much smaller, but otherwise quite similar to Europa. It experiences the same kind of intense tidal forces, this time from Saturn, and its northern hemisphere is cratered and older, but its southern hemisphere is smooth. Again, it's been resurfaced by something. However, in Enceladus' case, we have much more dramatic evidence of geological activity. Cryovolcanoes have been spotted on its surface, which, like volcanoes on Earth, spew material into the atmosphere. But in this case, it's ice and water. NASA's Cassini mission first spotted the geysers in 2005, and on October 28 this year did a nosedive through one of the plumes. Previous dives have detected water and organic compounds, making Enceladus yet another place to look for life in the solar system. Cassini's final trip through Enceladus' plumes is planned for December 19th, so be on the lookout for exciting news. For a long time, we've looked for life in far-flung reaches of the galaxy. It's beginning to look like we might have company right in our backyard.